In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update Davinci Resolve. Keeping Resolve current ensures you get the newest features, better performance, and important bug fixes. Before we begin, make sure your internet connection is stable and save any open work. Updates are designed to be safe, but it's always smart to protect your projects and avoid interruptions while downloading. Start by launching Davinci Resolve from your computer. Give it a moment to load the splash screen and bring up the main interface. Once the application is open, you're ready to move on. Next, open an existing project. Any project will do. This simply takes you into the main workspace, where all of the top menus are active. Opening a project won't change anything unless you make edits, so it's a safe way to reach the update controls inside the app. Now, look to the very top left of your screen and click the Davinci Resolve menu in the menu bar. This is the application menu that houses items like Preferences, Keyboard Customization, and System-level options. If your interface language or operating system looks a little different, the application menu is still at the far left of the menu bar. From that menu, choose Check for Updates. Resolve will contact the official update server and compare your current version with the latest available release. This usually takes just a few seconds. If your computer is offline, you'll see an error or nothing will happen, so ensure you're connected to the internet when you run this check. If a newer version is available, a pop-up will appear with details about the release. Take a moment to skim the notes so you know what's changing. Things like performance improvements, new tools, and resolved issues. When you're ready, click Download. Resolve will begin fetching the update from the official source. Depending on your network speed, this may take a little while, so keep the application open and avoid putting your computer to sleep until the download completes. If you're already on the latest version, Resolve will simply let you know you're up to date, and there's nothing else you need to do right now. That's all there is to checking for and downloading an update directly from inside Davinci Resolve. Staying current helps maintain stability with plugins, cameras, and operating systems, and it ensures you have access to the latest editing, color, and audio features. Make a habit of checking for updates regularly, especially before starting a major project, so you're always working with the best tools available.